Uh, Hello everyone. Our today's topic is types of chemical reactions. Previously we focused on fourth point and in our previous lecture. So we are trying to manage our next topic, that is types of chemical reactions. So there are five types of chemical reactions. First one is the combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third one is the displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction, and fifth one is oxidation and reduction reactions. So we try to manage all these reactions in our video. First one is combination reaction. So the word combination, and we easily know about that what combination does means. Combination means to combine. So in that case, this is a notation called A plus B gives us AB, and we are focusing on this point. A plus B, that is reactant and reagent, is get converted into the product, that is AB. This is our first step because A and B get combined to form AB. So our statement is when two or more reactant get combined to form a single one product, that is called as the combination reaction. This is a statement and the example Mg, magnesium solid. Here we are taking 2 moles of magnesium, and then oxygen gas, that is O2 gas. It get converted into magnesium oxide, that is twice MgO. Twice MgO, that is magnesium oxide. So this is the best example to show a combination reaction. Means these two get combined to form a single one product called magnesium oxides. So magnesium, twice mole of magnesium is added with oxygen gas to form twice MgO. So this is the example of combination reaction. Our next reaction is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide with water, it gives calcium a slake line, that is CaOH by 2, and it liberates somewhat heat. So I told in I do not write it on board because it is homework for you, and you have to balance this reaction and try to solve the reaction. Our second reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, simply the one simple trick is there how to identify the reaction. Decomposition reaction is the reverse of the combination reaction. It means that the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from the single one reactant. So our combination reaction is two or more reactant to form single one product, and our decomposition reaction is what? Two or more product get formed by single one product. Means the reaction theme is like AB, by the use of energy we get A plus B. So according to this concept we have to solve our reaction. We are taking an example of twice FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, is solid. On applying heat, it get converted into Fe2O3, that is solid ferric oxide. This state is solid, and during that gases get releases out. First gas is SO2 gas, and the second gas is SO3 gas. Twice FeSO4 on heating gives us ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3 gas get releases out. Second one reaction, that is CaCO3, that is limestone. On heating it gives CaO, that is slake lime, plus CO2 gas. This is solid. So the one concept behind that reaction is that here in both reaction gases get releases out. The mean of decomposition is releases of gases. That is its second. third reaction.